friends, it's Sarah Espinosa here with ProfitWithSarah.com, and I just pulled over and I got out and I wanted to shoot this quick video to let you guys know that I had a little revelation about cold market, warm market, and I have a little metaphor for you so that you can understand how the people feel when you contact them about your business opportunity. Okay, so I was singing, right? I was singing. I felt so happy. I was walking around and people were looking at me like, what is she doing? You know, she's kind of crazy, right? And this was in a public area. This was where it's cold market traffic, right? Okay. And then I went to my neighborhood and I was still singing the same song, same amount of energy, same amount of, joy and enthusiasm, and the neighbors were like, yay, Sister Sarah, good job, because they already knew me, they already trusted me, they already liked me, so they understood why I was singing, because they knew me, right? So whatever that I said, they were already, whatever that I sang, whatever energy level that I came at them with, they loved it because they love me. So that's just like your businesses, guys. So when you go out there with your cold market and you're singing your song, you're shouting from the rooftops that you're so excited about a business, like if you put links on Facebook and stuff like that, people are like, what is this crazy person doing? We don't understand why she's so excited about it, and they just blow you off. So you have to build rapport. You have to change that cold market to warm market, right? You have to get people to know, like, and trust you before you approach them with your business opportunity, because they don't really trust everything out there. There's so much that's gone on with bad businesses, corrupt businesses, fake businesses, that they don't know that yours is a good one, So they have to know you in order to know that yours is a good one. So first, lead with content, lead with value, something that you can show people that you're a trustworthy person. Everything that you're learning in your business, go ahead and post those educational pieces to them on your Facebook page, and that's going to help them know, like, and trust you. And then you can private message them and talk to them about what they need